This is my second video of the 2007 Carrier 2.5 ton air conditioner at my neighbor's house, and it is making weird noises. This has been off and on over the last 4 or 5 years. Hey, Jersey. My other neighbor's dog. He is a bearded collie. Jersey. Come here, Jersey. I think that is the fan motor. Actually, it's hard to tell exactly where it is coming from, but I believe that's the fan motor. And also, I just realized something. If they were to install a heat pump like I recommended they do if and when this unit dies, it would be right in front of the flue pipe, and I don't think that's the best thing in the world for the exhaust, the furnace exhaust, to be exiting right onto the heat pump. Saw somewhere that was bad. Jersey, come here. Hey, Jersey. How old is the dog now?
7.5.
You were only like 3 when I moved here. So yeah, at this point I think this air conditioner is getting ready to go, and it's just a matter of when. It's going to rain. Alright, if mine are running, I'm going to show you what one of these units... You know what? I think one of mine is running. Or is it? I don't feel like going back inside the house. No, they're not running. Darn it. It's like in the 70s right now, and it's actually not all that bad. It's not as humid as it has been. Yeah, my units sound fine, but unfortunately they're not running right now, and I do not feel like messing with the thermostat because I was talking to my neighbors. There's my other neighbor's central air, pretty much the same damn thing as mine. Though since she has slightly more space than me, like 100 or 200 square feet more space. One of hers might be slightly bigger. One of them might be a 2.5 ton, but I'm not sure. Actually, you know what? Those are both 2 tons. They're the same size as mine. Both those are 2 tons, and it's starting to rain. Gonna go to Puck tonight. I was hoping to wander around town with my camera, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So yeah, this is my neighbor's air conditioner making yet another weird noise. And I think I felt a raindrop. Yeah, it's starting to rain. I just felt another one. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. And probably not even a second after I turned off the camera, it started sounding normal again. I am not joking. According to my neighbor, it always does this. It's been doing the same thing for a few years now. It has been doing this for a few years, right? The unit's nice and level. Nice even airflow out of the top. Decent room for circulation. Though I'm not wild about the placement of the service access panel. They could have done it more out here. Though it's not as bad as some of the other ones I've seen in this neighborhood. One of my neighbors has it right up against the corner between two walls. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.